Hey, welcome everybody. Please come in. This is our Hollywood Tamarind location, located in a beautiful Sunset Boulevard, right by Netflix and a lot of the studios around here. It's a very great location, very walkable. So please come in. Let's discover our apartment. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom setup, just like most of our co-living apartments we have in LA. It comes with an excellent large-sized kitchen, as you can see, with all the stainless steel appliances. The mini fridge, you have the Keurig coffee machine, the fridge, and the usual stuff that you get. It's fully stocked for you with pots and pans, everything that you would need. And then obviously our living space that you can hang out with your friends and you can enjoy a nice Netflix movie or Hulu or any type of a special night or special movie that you want to watch. So let's take a look. I'm gonna take you first to our first room. It is the small master. We call it small master because it has a smaller bathroom. There's 2 masters in this apartment, 2 master bedroom, meaning they have their own bathroom. All the rooms are furnished exactly identically. It comes with a full-size bed, the work desk that you have, as well as this one, as we mentioned, it's a master, so it has its own bathroom inside the room, which is a nice convenience. You do have the TV on the wall, the mini fridge, as well as a nice storage space so you can put your stuff and store them safely, securely. This is the bathroom. It is a little bit of a tighter, smaller, very compact bathroom, but you have everything from your standing shower, remodeled, sink, and your toilet over here, which you're gonna take a look right now. So with that being said, let me walk you to our next room. As we go through the living room space, I'm going to take you to our balcony room. This is basically our mid-level room that we have after the deluxe. The deluxe I'm going to show you next is our cheapest room that we offer. This room and the deluxe room shares the bathroom together. It comes again with the same type of furnishing as you saw in the other master bedroom, and the storage space is massive here. You have the double wardrobe with the mirror so you can prepare yourself for a nice day of work. But as the name calls for it, this is the balcony room. It does come with your own balcony space where you can enjoy a nice coffee in the morning and have a nice view of these wonderful Hollywood skylights. As you can see, the Netflix building is right across, as well as we have a very special building here, especially designed. So with further ado, everything, the mini fridge and the desk that you have, let me take you to our next room, which is the deluxe room, as I told you. The deluxe room is located right next to it, and this room and the previous balcony room shares the bathroom together. It is exactly the same as the balcony room, but you do not have the balcony access here. This is actually our cheapest room that we offer for people just looking for comfort and nothing more. It comes with the exact same furnishing, the work desk and the TV on the wall, and then you would see that there's ample of storage space as well in this room, as you can see right here with the sliding door closet. With that being said, I'm going to take you to the next room, but first of all, let me show you that all units come with an in-unit washer and dryer, so you can do your laundry. You don't have to walk to a laundry facility or anything like that. Very convenient. And then this is the bathroom that is shared between the 2 rooms, the deluxe and the balcony. You would see it is very similar to the master bedroom's bathroom. It comes with a standing shower, the sink, and the toilet. So have a look right here, as you can see. And with that being said, let me take you to our last room. This is our large master. Usually it is the it's the biggest room in the apartment, and obviously the most expensive that we offer for people looking really for the top notch. It comes with the same type of furnishing, the extra square footage in the room, but you still get the same type of furnishing and the TV and the mini fridge and the desk. You have great amount of storage space here. They usually come with a walk-in closet, as you can see. Please take a look here. Plenty of storage space if you have a lot of stuff, a lot of clothing, a lot of shoes. And then obviously as a master, it comes with the bathroom inside the room. And as we mentioned, this is the largest master that we have. So it usually comes with a double his and hers sink, a very large shower, and basically the toilet inside as well. So with no further ado, we're welcoming you to our Hollywood location, and we really hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.